Hi, my name is Kayla Williams, and today we'll be talking about deforestation. According to the World Wildlife Fund, the Earth loses 18.7 million acres of forest each year. To put that in some perspective, that's 27 soccer fields each minute. That's a lot if you think about it. Carbon dioxide is one of the most prevalent greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. So, what do greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide have to do with deforestation? Well, these gases absorb thermal radiation, and when they are in big enough groups, they can cause climate change. Now, if you think about it, how can those cause climate change and how can they be in big enough groups? Well, our cars produce carbon dioxide, and we kind of drive those everywhere, don't we? So our CO2 levels must be pretty high. As a business major who wants to open a coffee shop at every national park system, this is an important issue to me. With the decreasing level of forest, that means a decreasing amount of national parks that we are going to have. Since I have discussed what I'll be talking about in this speech, I will now inform you about what deforestation is. Deforestation is the decrease of a tree population in any specific area. Usually, deforestation can happen for agricultural purposes like building homes or making supplies. Forests take up about 30% of our earth. Deforestation can kind of happen anywhere, but it usually does happen in really big forests. According to Alina Bradford, a grad student from Oklahoma State University, stated in 2018, the country with the most deforestation is Indonesia. Since the last century, Indonesia has lost at least 39 million acres, 15.79 million hectares of forest land. Bradford, 2018, paragraph 3. The damage that is happening all over the earth is increasing, and so far there's not much we can do to stop it. Since I've discussed what deforestation is, I will now inform you about the cause of deforestation. There can be many causes for deforestation, but usually it's because of agricultural use. Agricultural use can take up many forms, but the three main forms is to make room for farmland, housing, and human-used goods, such as toilet paper. There are many techniques that can be used for deforestation, but the most common one is the slash and burn technique, which is usually used for farming. So the name of the slash and burn technique sounds just like its name. It's basically cutting down trees and then burning them from their roots. Cutting down the trees and burning them makes it very quick and easy, and then the ashes of the trees nourish the soil for the new crops. So not only is that technique the most popular, but there's also more underlying factors to deforestation. One of the big factors that we could use for an example would be wildfires, such as the ones that happened in California. In 2018 alone, 1,548,814 acres of land was burned in California. Since I have now informed you about the cause of deforestation, I will now tell you about the effects of deforestation. The biggest effect that it has on our atmosphere is the greenhouse gases that are released. And with enough of these, like previously stated, this can cause climate change. According to Michael DeLay, an environmental science professor at LaSalle College, the number one problem caused by deforestation is the impact on the global carbon cycle. Bradford, 2018, paragraph 10. Carbon dioxide can take up 82.2% of the United States greenhouse gases. This may seem like a really high number for just the United States, but it is because that we do drive cars all over the place, and with the increasing amount of deforestation, when the trees do die, they do release carbon dioxide into the air, which is why our levels seem to be so high. Like stated before at the beginning of this paragraph, with enough of this can push climate change and cause the deforestation levels to increase too. Since we have addressed what deforestation is and the causes it has on the planet, I would like to review what we have previously gone over in the speech. In conclusion, deforestation is a problem that is generation old, and it continues to be a problem for our planet and our atmosphere. In this essay, we have first discussed what deforestation is. Secondly, I have explained what the causes are and many of the other examples of why deforestation could be happening. Lastly, I explained the effects that it has on our planet and the atmosphere. Trees have been on this planet longer than we have. There's no reason we as humans should outlive something as crucial to our way of life than what trees do for us. Thank you.